Deepavali, the festival of lights, ushers in time of joy, prosperity and togetherness. Here at Port of Tanjung Pelepas, we honor this cherished occasion with a beloved tradition treat, the Muruku. Crafted with the finest ingredients, pure ghee, premium flours and a blend of carefully selected spices, our Muruku symbolizes our unwavering commitment to excellence, just as PTP values quality in every endeavour. This delicacy is prepared with the same dedication and care. In its original language, Muruku means twist, a fitted metaphor for the ties that bind us, representing unity in diversity. The intricate twists of this thread embody the strength of connection, with each delicate bite uniting friends, family and cultures. Much like the Muruku, each draws its richness from a blend of ingredients. PTP flourishes through the unique contribution of our diverse workforce, each individual adding their own touch to the whole. Together, we embrace the spirit of harmony, celebrating with the Muruku, a treat that brings loved ones close, sharing both flavor and warmth.
From all of us at PTP, Happy Deepavali.